Hello again, everyone. So I'm actually joined with Bree because now that we've gone through each of the 14 products and we've talked about the benefits, the key ingredients, the fact that the bioadaptive botanicals and nutricentials are the common thread and really help with pollution, stress, hydration needs, but it adapts to your skin's needs as it sees fit. It is smart skincare. We're now going to go through and work out the best system for Bree's skin type and also her preference. Customers have preferences with what they want to use. And of course, Bree loves Boost, Age-Lock Boost, which is perfect for you. And we'll talk about how that can work in this system as well. So before we begin, I'd just like to introduce you to this fantastic, simple, easy to use tool that will guide your customer and yourself through the perfect skincare system for them simply by asking a few questions based on each of the steps of the skincare system. So first of all, it starts with the cleanser selection, and number 2 is the toner. Then we move on to number 3, the serum, which we know is a given, it's a must-have in the range. Then number 4, the daytime and the nighttime moisturizer. And finally, those fantastic extras that they will need in their skincare system. And yeah, what I love about it is that it's very simple to use and you will come up with a selection pretty quickly. So first of all, Bree, let's talk about your cleanser and talk about your skin actually. When we talk about your skin, how would you describe your skin?
I would say my skin's more normal to dry. I do get a little bit of sensitivity. But I don't like the super thick moisturizers, just sometimes get a little bit of dehydration. So with a cleanser, I normally prefer like a lotion that will just kind of really take off all my makeup.
Okay, so you're not too sensitive because I never see you red or anything, but you're...
No, just a little bit of sensitivity sometimes if things with some products. Yeah, more on the drier side.
Not a problem. So we want to make sure we give you hydration. We want to really look after the cleansing process. So I'm actually going to recommend for Bree the Hydra Clean Creamy Cleansing Lotion. That will fit you beautifully.
Perfect.
And it's not, we all know we felt it before, it's very lightweight.
That one was really nice.
Okay, so we've shown it would be perfect for you. So that will be your cleanser. And straight away, I'm going to say definitely the pH balance toner. We want to look after that acid mantle on your skin, making sure that that's well protected and preserved on your skin. So that will follow your cleanser. So that's the toner done. It's so easy looking off this thing. It just keeps you on track. And so then what you would do normally in the morning, you would use your Boost and your Boost serum next in that. Followed by, we call this, I think, the bioadaptive jewel of nutricentials, something like that. So I would put, 1 to 2 pumps after you've used Boost and serum. Just pat it on your skin, and that will protect your skin with the bioadaptive botanicals, especially because you do work in air conditioning.
Yes,
you want
all
to keep
the time.
The hydration. I know Boost will really plump the skin. It will smooth the skin, and it gives it that initial boost in the morning and continuously. But it is important to put that on top. It will protect your skin. Okay, so the next thing, everyone needs to use that. Then we go for the moisturizer. So what are you looking for in a moisturizer exactly for the day?
I often use ones that have sunscreen in them just to really protect my skin from the sun. But again, not too thick, just something that will help my dehydrated skin, but with sunscreen.
Okay, because you're telling me that your skin, and you can see a little bit of dehydration. I'm going to recommend the Daydream Protective Cream, which is still fairly lightweight. And you felt that before.
Yeah, we did feel that one.
Telling me that you really like that. So you would use that as the end part of your daily routine with that. And that will also protect your skin against the blue light, the infrared.
Yeah, which is perfect, being in front of the computer all day. So it'd be good.
Yeah, absolutely. That is perfect for you. I want to move on now to what you do at night. It is very important for you to use a cream at night. You can't really I wouldn't recommend using a sunscreen at night. It doesn't make sense. It won't get used. It'll get very frustrated sitting on your face like that. So during the night, it is important to continue the bioadaptive botanical journey. Your skin overnight tries to repair itself. You said to me that you don't like too heavy a moisturizer. But something that will hydrate. So I'm going to go opt for the mid-range here, which is the Dew All Day for you to use at night. So again, night you'd go cleanse, tone. You would use your Celtrex Always Right. Then you would use your Dew All Day at night there. That would be your night routine. So what about that? I'm just thinking about you and the fact that you said that you do tend to get a little bit dehydrated. I think for you, as a first user of this, when I recommend it, I'm going to leap over straight away to the creamy hydrating mask.
Yeah, that one felt amazing. I think that would be really nice.
That will give you that hydration boost. You said you were a little bit sensitive occasionally, but I actually think that if you are gently removing the dead skin cells, you're revitalizing the skin, you're allowing the skin to breathe. I would use this probably once to twice a week, which is the exfoliating scrub. So they're the two that I would start with. You did say that, for that extra, hydration boost, you do enjoy using masks, so you can also use this. So you do fit under any of these hydration banners with those as well.
I can't wait to try them all.
I know. So that would be your ideal out of the 14 products. So
that was really simple, just going through it like that.
It was it made it simple for me, and it is now that it's come out of my mouth doing it like that, it is important to ask the questions of your customer. But you only need to ask a couple. What texture? And tell me about your skin. What are your main concerns? Boom. And don't forget, Boost will give that is the really core treatment in here for your age group as well, and to prevent the signs of aging in the future. So that's free.
Thanks, Tracy.
Thank you. Okay, so now we're going to talk to a very different customer with different needs with their skin, but at the end of the day, still want to prevent the signs of aging, want to look after their skin, and want the very best. And Bioadaptive Botanicals works for everybody, and so does Nutricentials. So Caroline, tell me a little bit let's talk about what system's going to be best for you. But first of all, tell me about your skin.
Yeah, so I'm definitely what I think. I fall under the combination oily skin type. And I say that because I notice by the end of the day, like my T-zone area is super oily, and then my cheeks are still really dry. So I feel like I'm on that kind of like skincare route. What do you think?
So you want to control a bit of shine, but you still want that little bit of light hydration coming through, and you really want to exfoliate your skin to make sure that any dead skin cells are off there.
As I do wear quite a lot of makeup as well. So
yes, because we know that Caroline likes to party as well from time to time. Okay, so first of all, in terms of your cleanser, I would definitely go for the To Be Clear, the Pure Cleansing Gel, first of all, as your main cleanser. It foams up, perfect for you.
Love that.
To remove your makeup quickly, I remember you saying that you get home, the last thing you want to do is get under a shower and wash your face. This micellar beauty water would be perfect for that. So I'm going to put that in here for you to consider. Okay. So then, in terms of your toner, I'm going to go for the Here You Glow toner, in particular because you are combination going towards oily. The salicylic acid in this is amazing. Remember the cleaning out the pores and really giving the skin a lovely, I guess, a polish without the granules straight
perfect.
away. It's amazing. Yes. So that will be your toner. Of course, the next step that would be at night for your micellar water. So let's just talk about day at the moment. Day, you would put your boost in the routine, of course, and then your Celtrex Always Right. So a couple of pumps of that over your face and neck. That, as I said, that is the most essential bioadaptive product in the entire range. What did I call it before? It's the
jewel.
The jewel or the diamond of the range. So pop that on as well. So in terms of your day cream, do you like to protect your skin against the harsh rays of sun and blue light of the computer?
Everything really.
Everything.
But sunscreen protection is a plus. I will be honest, I do kind of stray away from sunscreen sometimes because I don't like that thick consistency.
You don't like the thick consistency? Okay. Well, luckily we have got and you felt this before, you love the texture of it, but the Daydream Protective Lotion. So it's really lightweight for you. You don't need too much of this. A little bit goes a long way, but it will protect your face from everything. Free radicals, sun damage, everything. So that would be your daytime moisturizer. So I want to talk about night now, and or during the day if you don't want or need to use a sunscreen. But Thirst Fix, because you said you like lighter weight textures, Thirst Fix would be perfect for you, being a gel, but it will give you the hydration where you need it on your skin. So it'll get this bit sorted, but it will also sort this bit and give it a boost of hydration.
Amazing. Love that.
So it won't feel like you're slipping out of bed or anything like that, you know? Like,
for sure.
Like you can. You don't want to feel like you've got lots of product on your face. So your night, that could be day or night, but your night routine would be that right there. Yes. And if you were going out, if you had makeup on. Yeah. So that would be orange. Now you kind of fit this actual range right here. It turns out these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You fit into the Clear and Balanced kit there, which we have as a pack. This would be added into it, and of course you love using your Boost. So I explained Boost before. Boost is used in the morning. If you wanted to really maximize all the skincare benefits, 2 treatments come to mind. 2 of the masks come to mind. One of them is the Brighter Day, the exfoliator, for obvious reasons, for your skin type, to really give it a beautiful polish. And then the Celtrex mask, because I know how much you loved it, because you were talking about it before. But as an extra boost, even after a night out or you work in aircon, this is perfect just to relax and get that little bit of self-care.
I like that.
Yeah, so that's Caroline's range.
Thanks, Tracy.
All good. Thanks, guys. We'll talk to you soon.